This video is about clearing fear from the body and upgrading to light. Hi everybody, welcome. So it's Sunday morning and I am sharing with you an experience that I am having right now in my body. Actually, that started around in the wee hours of the morning. In the middle of the night, I woke up feeling so much sensation and fear happening in my body that it's been debilitating. And inside of my solar plexus and my ribs and inside my organs, it's just been so incredibly intense. And I wanted to share this with you because it's really important to learn how to identify what is causing sensations in your body, whether it be fear, anxiety, grief, sadness, despair, whatever it is. I'd like to try to help you understand that that is just obviously part of being human. But when we keep looking for tangible reasons in the physical as to why something's happening, like the feeling of fear, you're missing what a very, very important part of who you are, who you're here to be, and then not understanding what's actually really causing fear or emotions, whether it be in the body or the mind or lack, limitation, all of these things. So I just am sharing with you that I have been doing healings for myself since the wee hours of the morning, and I'm going to share with you how I handle this for myself and or other people that are experiencing this and heal it and clear it. So one of the first things that we want to always do, first let's understand, is that you're more powerful than anything. You're more powerful than whatever sensation, emotion, or feeling that you're having. But we need to actually call in our power, connect to our power, and do this every single day. So you, my dear, are a beautiful being of light, and your soul is a ginormous energy, and you have lived lifetimes and have wisdom and information with you to help you. In this lifetime, we came here to the earth to go up in frequency, but that also means to heal the low frequencies that are inside every single one of us. Every human on the earth has energies, entities, beings, programs, control centers, artifacts, all types of things that all of us have inside of us, and there are a lot. So when someone says, oh, do you have an energy or entity attached to you? Yeah, probably. We all do. And that's nothing to be afraid of, nothing to fear. It's something to understand and learn how to heal this, the entities, the beings, close the openings. We have open portals and vortexes and doorways and windows that we want to work on closing and then upgrading our system. Our body's actually made of light frequency, and the low frequencies, whether it be a pattern, a picture, a program, a movie, whatever, needs to get moved out, healed, clear the karma with them. Remember, everything is the light. So even an adversary is of the light, right? And remember, you're more powerful than anyone and anything. So again, we want to be here up on this earth. We came here for a reason. We can only go up in frequency when we're in a body. So this is a beautiful opportunity that we have to go up in frequency and clear out the lifetimes of stuff and help the earth go up in frequency, which it is, and it's so incredibly beautiful. So we want to learn and connect to our heart, our soul, our I am presence every single moment, every single day, and be consciously aware of who you are, right? And know that you're more powerful than anything. And then begin to learn and understand, well, what is causing the sensation inside of my body? It's nothing to fear, whether it be a pain, whether it be an illness, whether it be emotion, whether it be something thinking, whatever it might be, financial lack, whatever it is, you have the capacity and the ability to heal it or have somebody else help you heal it. So the pain that or the fear that I've been experiencing today has been, like I said, almost debilitating, but have not let it stop me. Oh, it's okay if it does. There's nothing wrong with that. It could be that intense. That's okay. I've spent many months in bed at times with certain things going on. But this is like, even though my body's shaking and I can feel the fear, I'm connected to who I am. I've called in my sacred space, my core healing team, and I've been working on clearing out the entities and the beings and closing the openings. And the crazy thing was too, is as I've been doing healings for myself today, I had like openings from the beginning of time. I had things looping. I had lifetimes of all kinds of things that I looked at, healed, cleared, and then upgraded my frequency. I also reached out to my teacher and asked her for help, and she's actually helping me do a healing for me distantly right now, which is incredible because it's calming down. I just wanted to stop and record this video because I want you to understand and know that you can do this for yourself. You can learn how to do this. I wasn't even thinking about sharing all these things, but I have a teacher training program, Healing Mastery, starting August 1st. It's a 3-month intensive that will help you learn how to do this for yourself and or others, and clear entities and beings and create light designs, learn how to hold space for people, learn how to not take on other people's stuff. It's incredible. It's a small group. So if you're interested, you know, it's by interview only. So we need to connect and talk about it and see if you're the right match. It's a beautiful class. I've taught people how to do this healing work. And it is incredible how it feels to know who you are and to know that you can heal anything and you have nothing to fear is incredible. And this is what I would love to help you connect with. Yeah. And we're not here alone. Sometimes people say, you have to heal yourself. Well, yes, you're here and you're the only one who can take the action, right? And you're the only one who can call in your light, your power, connect with who you are and your healing team and Creator God. You're the one who has to take the action, right? But we're not here alone. We need somebody at a higher frequency to help us go up in frequency. So like I reached out to my teacher and I asked her for some help, and bless her so much for all that she does. She's incredible. Anyway, so remember who you are and you have nothing to fear. And also I have some other self-study courses links are in the bio. Some of them are on sale right now.